Nokia E65 Disassembly. You will need the following tools: the SS93, the SRT6, metal tweezers, the dental pick, a bit holder with a Torx Plus size 6-bit and a DC plug. Always cover the windows with a protective film. Unlock and remove the battery cover. Shift open the assembly. Carefully pry open the clips of the cover with the SS93 on both sides. Lift up the whole assembly. Remove the S60 K-mate. Protect the window from inner side. Shift together the assembly. Carefully bend open the metal snaps of the display holder assembly on both sides. Cover the LCD with a protective film. Lift up the whole display assembly. Carefully bring it into position shown to gain the maximum flex foil lengths. Lever out the earpiece holder assembly. Open the flex connector of the display. Shift open the assembly. Push out the glued-in masking plate and discard it. It can't be used again. Align the recess of the slider to reach the screw and keep it into position. Unscrew the screw and remove it before continue. Close the assembly. Unscrew these 4 screws in the order shown. Shift open the assembly. Gently pry open these clips of the B cover with the SRT6 in order to reach the clips of the T9 K-mate. Now unlock the metal latches of the K-mate on both sides. Carefully remove the sheet metal assembly. Remove the glued-in T9 K-mate. Unlock the snaps on both sides. Separate the cover slightly. Keep in mind that the flex foils are still connected. Open these 2 connectors with the SS93 carefully. Now the slide module assembly can be removed. Disconnect the camera connector. Lift up the engine module. Keep in mind that the flex foil is still connected. Disconnect this flex foil now. Lift out the antenna module assembly. Remove the microphone and the DC jack. The microphone will be destroyed surely and must be renewed when reassembled. Gently pry out the SIM card module and remove it. Carefully release the glued-in camera flex assembly. Now it can be removed easily. Unlock all clips of the side keys. Note that these clips are very delicate and can break easily. Lift up the UI flex assembly. Peel it up completely. It cannot be used again. Remove all adhesive residues before reassemble. Peel up the T9 flex assembly, beginning from the connector side. Do not use it again. Remove any adhesive residues before reassemble. The disassembly procedure is now complete.